Verbal initiations are easier to recognize because the child produces words we can hear. Even if we are not watching our child, we can hear what they say. When words are clear, this is easy. When words are less clear, it's more difficult. But even when words are less clear, with clues from the environment and the knowledge of a parent, we can make a fair guess about what our child is saying. Whether we are certain or are making our best guess, any verbalization that was initiated by our child and intended to communicate something is a verbal initiation. In that moment, our child is primed to learn about talking. We can help that learning with a knowledgeable response on our part. We will go into more depth about this learning moment later. First, let's watch some examples of verbal initiations.
Boo! The pain. Do it again.
These examples involve early initiations from young children. Older children's initiations may be longer. Either way, whether the initiations come from a toddler or a teenager, whether they are 0 words, a short phrase, or a longer utterance, initiations provide the same prime learning moment.